And now we will see when should we use frames. As we have seen, if we have vector elements inside a frame, and if we change the properties of a frame, it does not transfer those properties to the elements that it has inside the frame. So what is the right use of a frame? We will delete this because as we have seen, it does not really, we cannot use it for something like an icon. So let's delete it. Always remember that when you have a UI element, a UI section, a unit in your design which has multiple UI elements, it can have an icon, it can have an image, it can have text. Let's say it's a combination of image and text. In that case, you should use a frame. Let's look at how you should use a frame. We will create a unit which is a testimonial section at the bottom of a testimonial. Testimonial is something which you would have seen on the website where the customers of a particular brand talk about how happy they are with the brand. So that's a testimonial. Now, who has responded to that? Who has written to the brand that you? Now, the unit that we are creating is the details of the person who has shared that testimonial. So this circle, it's the image. This is the placeholder for the image. We will change the size to 80. Okay, we will use a text line. So this is the name of the person, and in some cases you will have a second line. It can be the location perhaps. So this is the location. We will change some properties so that it visually also looks like a part of the testimonial unit. And yeah, I think that's it. Name, let's use a hypothetical name, Anjali Kapoor, and the location being Mumbai, India. Okay, I have these two elements, two text elements and one image element, which currently we are using a shape as a placeholder. Now you can select all of these. Okay, you can right click and do a frame selection. Okay, I will click on frame and now it's a frame. As you can see, if I increase or decrease, the properties of my elements inside it do not get disturbed. So it will stay intact, and that's the reason why all your UI units are a frame.